What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrencies and why it is actually a lot better to trade cryptocurrencies rather than mining it. Now, first of all, guys, if you guys had watched my previous video on BTC, I actually purchased Bitcoin roughly around just over 5,000 pounds mark. That's when I purchased quite a bit of Bitcoin. I purchased a lot more around here. It's hitting nearly 5,600, 700. Then I stopped right there. Then I actually bought some at the break of this level right here. I actually bought some at the break of this. When this was happening, um, I actually purchased some here around here because it broke a level of structure right here. Now, I'm not looking to sell my Bitcoins as of yet, but I'm just gonna watch this area right here because it's a very strong level of resistance. It held support very well, so I'm gonna watch this area here and see what the market does within this area here. So if you guys watch my previous video and actually purchased Bitcoin around these prices here, the first one you would have been in roughly around let's see, roughly around 46% of your investment. So if you put in £100 worth of Bitcoin or use my link and you would have got some free Bitcoin, right now you would have had an extra £15 or so, right? Or if you put in £100, you would have had £43. Now, doesn't seem like a lot, guys. It doesn't seem like a lot, but the more you invest into it, the more you get back. Of course, you have to bear in mind if you go onto Coinbase here, you are limited to of amount of Bitcoins you can purchase. I think it's 500 a day a week you can purchase, um, but you can do that every week or every other week. You can purchase some Bitcoins, but there is a limit. But there is a way around that. Now, if you decide to trade Bitcoin, now what you do is you deposit money into your Coinbase account, and you then go on to Poloniex and put the money into Poloniex and then start trading altcoins. Altcoins are other cryptocurrencies, but they are at a lot cheaper price. Now, if I have my coin market cap here, say somewhere around here, let's have a look. Let's not use investor, let's use coin market cap. Now, coin market cap has all the information to do with cryptocurrencies from when it started and till today. So if you guys want to check that out, there's a lot of information there that can really help you out if you want to learn a lot more about the cryptocurrencies. And bear in mind, guys, most of these coins here are actually worthless, but a lot of them are gonna go in the long run. But it's giving you the top 100. For some reason, it's giving the top 100 cryptocurrencies that are that people have invested money into. Now, before you invest any money into any of these cryptocurrencies, guys, I would advise you to first of all research, and second of all, know exactly what that cryptocurrency is and purpose is, and if it would actually benefit the future in the long run. Now, of course, most of these aren't really gonna make a lot of money and aren't really gonna get to the top 10. Most of these will fail, so do your research. Very important before you invest into any of these cryptocurrencies. Now, on this particular cryptocurrency here, I'm actually in a trade right now on this one here. I actually bought a trade yesterday. I actually purchased a trade yesterday at no, was it yesterday? It wasn't yesterday, was it? It was earlier on today, was it? Was it this one or the other one? I believe it was this one. Yeah, it was this one. I bought this one. Yeah, I bought this one today. This one I got in a little bit late because it broke out here. I actually bought in roughly somewhere around this area right here. purchase a trade. Now I've got quite a handful of these cryptocurrencies. Now if it goes, now right now I'm actually in a profit of roughly around what, just 2% gain or so, not a major, but I'm waiting for it to actually go up to here for 38%, meaning a 40% gain of my investment. Now of course it could be actually looking to go a lot higher than that. My long term is somewhere around here, which will be nearly, look at that, 60%. But I reckon at the end of the year it can easily blow past this level right here. Well, that's what I'm hoping for. I don't know if it's gonna do that, but I'm actually hoping for it to kind of blow past here and probably go a little bit higher than it's ever gone higher. I don't think it's actually gone higher than this level here. Anything above this level here, I do not know anything about. I'm not too sure about that. But this one here, my first targets will be 40%, well 38%, right? What that is it's just 38% of BTC, Bitcoin, right? Now if it does go higher and it comes to this price here, what would then happen is I would gain for 38% of my BTC that I currently have, plus the fact that if BTC goes up in value as well, you make a little bit of profit, you make a little bit more profit. So it's kind of a win-win situation here. Even if you lose like a few odd trades, which will happen, but cryptocurrencies, it's very rare for you to win some trades. Of course you can lose some trades, but this strategy that I've been using, because cryptocurrency is quite new, it's quite young in its age, so it's very easy to predict these markets. They are manipulated a lot by social media now, but you can still make a lot of gains and percentage on your investment. Now if you guys want to get a hold of some Bitcoin, you can use my link in the description down below. It will bring you to Coinbase. You just fill in your information and everything, and you will get a $10 worth of Bitcoins. Now you can trade BTC. I actually have a link in the description down below if you guys want to learn how to trade altcoins for Bitcoins. I will just show you guys. So for example, if you had about $120 worth of Bitcoin, right, and let's say for example you bought Bitcoin around 6,000, right? That's roughly around 6% of your, roughly around 6% of your account. 6% of Bitcoin, roughly around that. Is it 6%? Let's have a look. Divide, that's going to be 60 times that 6.5. Let's have a look at that. No, that's wrong. It's going to be 2% of Bitcoin. Sorry, yeah, it's going to be 2% of Bitcoin. Yeah. Now you have 2% of Bitcoin. What it is right now, if you was to trade Bitcoin, right, for about a month or so, let's say a month, right, and let's do 30 days, which is a month. 30 days of an average of 5% a day, and of course you easily make that, of course, but don't bear in mind it does take time, because this trade down in won't just come in within a day, it will come in a few days, but in the long run it averages out roughly around 5% a day, right? So let's say roughly around 5% a day. Let's go back onto here. 5% a day, you're looking to make just enough short of $400 now in a month. Now it doesn't seem like a lot. Now the way it works out is because you bought Bitcoin at 6,000, it's like you purchase Bitcoin, you purchase more Bitcoin at that same exact price. Now we work out what 4,000 is. That's going to be 6.5%. Well, actually a lot more than that. It's going to be times it by, let's say, 7%. No, it's a bit too much. Let's say 6 times it by, let's say, 6.8%. No, that's a little bit too much. Times that by 6.6%. Yeah, let's say roughly around 6.6%, right? you've got 6.6% of BTC. Now, if it goes up in value to about 7,000, what happens is it goes up in value for about to about 7,000. You actually then stand to gain, let's say 6.6. You make a little extra profit. Now, it doesn't seem like a lot, but if you do that for roughly a whole year, if you do that for a whole year, right? You do that for 200 days, which is near enough a year. Of course, not every day in the market you're going to trade in the market, but let's say you decide to take 2 months off, 2 months off, and a few other days within the year, and let's say for 200 days solid you trading, right? And you want to make some of this money. Now, you would then end up with $2 million worth of Bitcoin. Now, it does look ridiculous, but if we get this kind of sheet here, okay, look, you will make, this is your little interest you make every day in the market. You come in and you make a little 5-10% gain of your account. You actually stand to make a little bit every single day. First month is great. Second month, it's a little bit better. Second month is quite good. Then third month, once you get into the thousands, then the numbers just really blow up. And that's not it, because you bought Bitcoin at 6,000 something. Let's say, for example, Bitcoin it's predicted to go. Well, I've predicted it. If you watch my other video, guys, I predicted for it to go to near over 100,000, right? Let's get a calculator up again. Calculator. Now, the beauty of trading Bitcoin is whatever price you bought Bitcoin at, and you trade it and you make more Bitcoin, it works out like you bought the same amount of Bitcoins for that price. But say you start with £100, right? And then you put into your Coinigy account and you start trading, and let's say for 6 months straight you get £10,000 worth of Bitcoin, right? Because you purchase it at 6,000, let's say Bitcoin within that 6 months goes up to 6,000, right? That's actually 10x your money, right? So instead of making just the 10,000, you've actually gained 100,000 worth of Bitcoin, when realistically you just traded to about 10,000. So in the long run, it will work out a lot more in your favor, so long as you stick with the strategy that I have. If you guys want this strategy, guys, just leave the link in the description. I've got a link in the description down below. Click the link, fill in the information down below. It's under trade Bitcoin, right? And you can click the link, fill in the information, and you can get started. Now, let's say, for example, Bitcoin does go up to about 100,000 by the end of the year. Let's say 100,000, right? Divide that by 6,000, right? That's about 16 times your money, right? Let's say you bought Bitcoin at let's say the whole 2 million. Let's not over exaggerate that. Let's say out of that, including losses, out of that you only make roughly around a million, right? Let's say you just make a million out of that, right? Let's just keep it a little bit more realistic, right? A million. And let's divide that by just the 6,000 you gained. That's about 166 Bitcoins, right? You times that by the 100 Bitcoins. Now that's about 16 million. 16 million you would have gained, and realistically you only traded up to 2 million worth of Bitcoin. It's the fact that you bought Bitcoin at a cheap price, and you just kind of, it's like mining Bitcoin, but instead of mining it, you're trading it. You're manually mining Bitcoin. So if you guys do want this strategy and you find that trading Bitcoin, to me personally, I feel like it's a lot more profitable than mining Bitcoin. Of course, mining Bitcoin is it is profitable, but it takes a lot of money in the first few months. You will not see any return on investment. Whereas trading, you can start today and start making money as soon as tomorrow, right? And you can make 10%, 20%, 30% a day. But of course, you have to remember there is also risk involved in this industry, guys. You can't have no money and expect to make money in return. But if you use the strategy and you stick to the plan and you stay disciplined, in the long run, you should make consistent profits. Now, if you guys found this video very, very interesting to you, please like this video, share this video with anybody, with everybody actually, that will find this, that would find any cryptocurrencies interesting to them. And if you guys have any questions, please leave your comments down below. Tell me your thoughts of Bitcoin and where it's looking to go in the next few weeks. Thank you guys for watching. That's Buying Mastermind signing out.